This is my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. This fix should probably work for Crown Vics as well, if they have a similar steering system, which I think they might around this year. But the problem I was having was the steering felt like it was binding up when I ran around corners at slower speeds. It just felt like something was binding. It was a little hard to turn, almost like the steering was going out, and I would get clunking noises in the steering wheel. So doing some research, I discovered that most likely the problem was the lower steering shaft. And I'm going to show you what that is. Here's the old one that I took out. Right there. This is the top part of the shaft. This is the bottom. Okay? And then inside the car, it's right here. It's very easy to get to, actually. Very easy repair to do. So there's one bolt up at the top. You take that out. And there's another small bolt at the bottom, and you have to take that out. And then what you do is you slide this upper shaft down out of the fitting, and then you can slide the other one up out of the fitting. Now they may be kind of stuck, so there's two things you have to do, and I can show you on the old one. After you take the bolt out, right there, you have to put something in here like a pry bar or a big screwdriver, maybe hammer it in to spread that wider so it lets that part come free. So you have to pry this open a little wider. Okay? The second thing you may have to do to get this out is you may have to hit this with a hammer or something to get that to slide out, and then pry or hit with something to get that to slide that way to get it to pop off. So just understand that you may have to put a little force on it to knock it out. But really, it was a very simple repair, probably 15 to 20 minutes to do it. Very easy, and it took care of the problem. What happened is on this old part, all these joints should have free movement. Okay, these two actually have movement, but definitely not as much as that new part. That new part was extremely smooth. The problem with this one, I could already tell, was this top joint is almost fused. It is super hard to move. So that's where that noise and that binding was coming from, was that joint right there. It was just shot. The part is really pretty inexpensive. I got it from Rock Auto for $35, I think it was, Dorman part. And like I say, super simple repair you can do yourself. So good luck with that. If you're having those problems, I think that'll fix it for you. Hope this video helps.